Hello developers. Today we are going to build a memory game. By the end of this video, you will have a working game engine that you can customize and use in your own projects. The use of photographic memory game is a great way to help students to develop their memory skills. The game is designed to help students to learn how to remember more and faster. It does this by helping them to develop their short-term memory as well as long-term memory. You will also build a similar solution today. We'll be using a Kandi kit to build this solution. Now what is a Kandi kit? Kandi one-click install kit gives you ready to deploy solution with a complete source code. You can access many more such ready to use Kandi kits on augmented reality, artificial intelligence, blockchain, gaming and many more on Kandi. Today we'll be using a popular Kandi kit which is Memory Game one-click install kit. Now this kit is open source and comes with a permissive license. That means you can freely edit, customize and share your own solution. Let's get started then. Over to you Sharmila for a hands-on walkthrough.
Hello everyone, hope you all are excited to build your own memory game. To build a memory game, you will be required the following. The first one is some basic knowledge of JavaScript and the second is an IDE which is completely of your choice. Everything that you need is available in the Kandi kit. Let's start by installing the Kandi kit. Check the description below for the link to the installable. This will set up your working sandbox applications with all the prerequisites needed and the resources as well. Here you can download the installer and follow the instruction to set it up. Now we can pause the video to complete the installation process and hit the resume button. Once ready, we'll jump right into building our own memory game application. Great, hope you all are set. If you have successfully set up, then you can see the memory game in your screen. Let's have a look at the files and folders structure that we have. Inside this asset folder, we have 4 folders. The first one is audio, and the second is CSS, and the third one is image, and the last one is JS file. First of all, we need some properties such as images and audio files. You can find out the audio and images inside this audio and image folder. Inside the CSS folder, we have styles.css file and we have 2 more files. The first one is index.html and the second is app.js. Let's have a look at the index.html file. In this file, we are just creating the memory board, drop-down list, start button and the timer. In the script tag, we are just loading our app.js file. Let's have a look at our app.js file. In base collection, we have collection of cards. With the help of the query selector and get element by ID, we are just getting the memory board, start button, timer, and the drop-down list. Here we are creating the audio object instance to load the audio files. In the very beginning of the game, we are calling this generate board method with the shuffled cards. This generate board method is responsible for creating the cards and adding it to the memory board. Here we are adding the event listener for the drop-down list and the start button. If the options in the drop-down list is getting changed, we are again calling this generate board method to generate the memory board. When we click the start button, the start game will be called. In this, we are adding the event listener for all the cards. When we flip the cards, this flip method will be called. In this flip method, we are just checking the count of the flipped cards. If the count is 2, we are calling this check for match method. In this method, we are just comparing the attribute value of these 2 flipped cards. If it is equal, we are removing this flipped class and adding this match class. If it is not equal, we are just removing this flipped class. Here we are checking all the cards to end the game. If all the cards in the memory board is matched, we are just passing this background music and playing this green effect. Finally, we are adding this restart class to the start button to restart the game. Yeah, that's it about the app.js file. Hope you are got an overview of our 2 main files. Let's move on to the browser and start playing our game. Here you can see the drop-down list with 2 options. and start button, then the timer. Before starting the game, have a look at the cards. Let's start the game. Yes, we have matched all the cards in 43 seconds. Let's see how we can customize this solution. For example, if you want to add one more option, we can add it. For that, we have to add images. Let's create one more folder under this image folder. Add images to this folder. I have some set of images, just I'm pasting them here. Here you can see the added images. Let's add it in the option. Move on to the browser to see the customization. Here you can see the added option, just click it. Have a look at the cards. Start the game. Yes, we have matched all the cards. Congratulations, you have a working memory game in your hand that you can customize for your application as well.
Hope you found this session useful. Using Kandi kits is a great way to build gaming engines. You can find the link to the Memory Game kit and many other ready to deploy kits in the description below. Head over to Kandi to build incredible projects on augmented reality, artificial intelligence, blockchain, gaming, and many more. Try out Kandi kits now. Hit that subscribe button and join us at the OpenViewer community of developers to learn more and build many more incredible projects. Thank you for watching this session. Till the next one, bye bye.